My mouth is burning right now, but I don't want to show it.
Okay, so
no. I know. You wanted to be a CSI agent that literally, like, whenever somebody dies, they go over there like Barry Allen, like the Flash. Whenever somebody dies, they go over there and they look at the.
I did that before.
Okay, so hi guys, welcome to my third video. So today this video is still like sister or brother know me better. So I have like couple questions for they to answer. Like if they answer wrong, they have to eat spicy noodles. If they didn't answer why, so they get to drink one chicken milk. So the things like they didn't know this is a prank or seriously video about like see who's know me better. So I probably like want to put some kind of like a 7 or like 5 question about like prank day, like Mayday keeping eating the spicy noodles, because that's how I want to be. So probably want to prank day a little bit. Probably like put some questions, say they don't ever know. Like when I ask, they say, "Hey, what's my favorite color?" And they got white, but I made it to speak Chinese, say in Chinese, and so they probably didn't know that. They didn't know what question I gotta ask. So the noodles I got is like this kind of spicy. I probably like want to put a tire bat on their noodles because I want to prank this. So yeah. So this was like supposed to be like for Kira and Reese to doing it. But we just doing the gluten-free, so she cannot eat that kind of noodles. So we change to Jew. So we're just doing the question and answer why here because I think it's nice. So the weather is so nice. Keeping been outside today. So hey, what are y'all doing? Hey, put that down.
I'm smelling it.
So today you guys eating the noodles. I give each y'all the milk before you guys don't get it burned.
Try it already?
Look, drink milk right now.
I wanted to see.
Just do it right now.
I want to see. Why are we drinking milk?
Because just careful you
We're
don't.
drinking it before.
Yeah, you cannot drink milk. So
Oh my god, what is the challenge?
So the challenge is like you guys need to answer the question. If you guys stay wrong, you're gonna eat a bite noodles. So the loser had to eat a entire bowl noodles. The winner don't have to eat a entire bowl.
我不喜欢牛奶。
You guys ready answer the question?
Yes.
You did? Okay, so first question. What's my favorite star?
Favorite star?
My favorite character.
Oh, Angela Baby.
I forgot her name. I was about to say Angela Baby.
Okay, so do you answer why? So
Yeah.
wow, first question is kind of really easy, huh? But you wait.
I thought I was supposed to take a bite whenever.
I know, wait. Say in Chinese her name.
No, I can't do that. I can't do that. I've never heard that.
Angela Baby.
Say in Chinese, I don't know this.
In Chinese,
And
it's
it's so not
Angela.
fair.
Can you answer this question or not?
No, and neither can Kira.
Can y'all? Can you?
Angela Baby.
Okay, y'all both eat noodles. Welcome to y'all eat your noodles.
But I get a couple of milk, right?
No, you don't. You
I got
can't.
it right.
Not until the very end of the thing, if you win.
Yeah, you can. Okay, so.
What is this challenge? It should be the winner doesn't.
Hey, you cannot eat like that tiny. Look, let me help you.
No,
Look. Just try.
Put it down. Kira really was. Where's my spoon? Let me go get my spoon.
I'll be right back.
Wow.
This is gonna take so long.
Amazing.
You both got the first answer wrong.
No, we got it right.
I just heard
I got it right.
I just heard Jude in the kitchen going and then run out, and I was like, what?
What the?
No,
So
Penelope told us to say Angela Baby in Chinese.
but they can.
That's
I
not.
thought it was questions about you.
It
Yeah,
is.
it does,
She said,
it
"What
does.
was my
That's not
favorite?"
about you.
No,
It
what's
does.
my favorite TV star? And Jude said Angela Baby. She goes, "Nuh-uh. Her name in Chinese. What's her actual name?" That wasn't even a question.
Sorry.
Okay, take a bite. Okay, he already did. You. How is it, y'all?
Wow.
Coffee.
My mouth is
Sorry.
burning right now,
You
but I
don't get
don't
it.
want to show it.
Second question. What is my favorite?
Anime.
I don't know.
Pikachu.
So okay, listen. Listen.
Detective,
Let me say it in Chinese. So 我问他们我最喜欢的动漫是什么，其实我最喜欢的动漫就是《名侦探柯南》，但是他们是知道，但是他们就不知道那个名字叫什么。So what do you think was the name called?
I totally understood what you just said.
The detective.
I never see you watching anime.
I mean, you don't see it, but
I watch a lot of anime.
Yeah,
But
you
I
watch
watch
too much.
Not China, but what kind of country I want to go? I really want to go.
China.
I say not in China.
You said that you wanted to go.
Europe.
Was it England? Nah.
Nah.
Where was it? Where? Australia.
What the heck is that?
Australia.
What are you-
Korea.
Yeah!
South Korea.
I was gonna say
Have fun eating noodles. I can't just watching the eating this before me, and I want some too. So I make one bowl for myself.
Oh God,
Why?
Penelope.
Wait,
Poor
stop!
Penelope.
Spicy.
If we want to,
They're all stuck together now.
then take a big bite.
They're really good.
I just eat the entire thing.
Okay, so you got like.
No, we shoot him.
Oh yeah, that could be because it's not as spicy at all.
No,
Yeah,
it's
go get it.
really
Go get it.
spicy,
Go, 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 go,
Penelope.
go.
No, you're going first.
Yeah, you're going first.
That's too much.
What I want to be.
You want to be
A spy. You want to be a sniper. Why'd you put it as a goal?
This is not gonna be a passport. So I think I didn't tell y'all. Okay, so
You
y'all.
no. I know. You wanted to be a CSI agent that literally, like, whenever somebody dies, they go over there, like Barry Allen, like the Flash. Whenever somebody dies, they go over there and you solve problems. Like, you solve like the crimes, like, and bad stuff.
Kira, listen. I told you don't want to be like that. That was so. Say you answer what I want to be.
Like the special police officer that solves problems, like solves crimes.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
Kira, eat
detective,
spicy
you
noodles.
idiot.
Come on, eat the noodles. Cause he kind of want to be police too. So, yeah, y'all both didn't get to eat the noodles. Yay!
Dang it. Well, actually, I forgot we put more spice. Yes!
You guys know when I reach out, I have a crew, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, question: how many people are in there?
200 something.
253.
Not that much.
257.
It's like 200.
235. 245.
Stop.
267.
255. 235.
215. 215.
Me and Kira are going to say a number, okay? And whichever one is closer wins.
Okay, so okay, let's. Okay, she say it and then.
220. She heard that, but I don't care.
Let me check.
Did you steal my answer?
No, I didn't.
What'd you say?
What'd you say?
225.
224.
You guys, not even close enough.
I said that before!
我比我吧吧吧吧。
245.
200
I said 245.
I told you stop.
230.
And Penelope
245.
said, now sit down.
I need to y'all come.
I'm gonna die.
This will be such a fun walk.
Hot.
You don't get
Men
it.
are so spicy. Look at that coffee and milk.
Oh my god, my mouth.
This could be a good thumbnail.
What is it?
What's my favorite color?
Black.
I said first.
Three kind.
Red, black, and white.
Nope.
Black, red, and blue.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah! Yes! Eat it! Yes!
This will be so fun.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna prove to you. I'm gonna get the thing with the most sauce, and I'm gonna prove to you how much of a boss I am. Look at all that red sauce.
Look,
You're torturing me.
I'm so happy fine right now.
No, it's just eat.
See, I'm
Your face-
amazing.
Your face is so
Not
red.
even hot. I don't even feel it.
What's my phone number? Like, not just the exact phone number, but
Your
the
password?
first three number.
512.
512,
512.
Join your noodles, Sue. I'm sorry. Are you okay? You didn't drink some milk?
Yes, I'm gonna die. Literally, it's so spicy. And you're drinking
Hey,
your
Kira,
thing.
you wanna be a nice sister? You wanna take bite for him?
Nope. She doesn't want to do it. Don't eat my noodles.
Cheer,
Sorry,
y'all.
I'm just deciding to
Cheer,
be
y'all.
nice.
It is so good.
Good, good.
You see this?
Stop!
It's kicking in. It's
Oh, this is so good.
Stop it! You don't get to drink anything from.
The last question inside.
oh, it smells so good.
Say the number. I think right now. So
Penelope! We can't even know that!
I agree.
Oh my god, this is literally like
I
90% sauce now.
I guys think this is the prank.
She has to do one.
No,
to
between
100.
10.
1 and 10?
7.
5.
I'll say numbers 8.
Yes! I win! Thank you! Shut up!
Alright, that was really aggressive. I'm not normally
Here's your soup.
I take yours too!
Yeah.
No, you don't have to.
No, I want
Nobody
yours.
just- What?
Ha-ha.
So, June is
Oh, wait.
the winner.
You just
No.
do a video of me just eating this? Like,
Oh. Hello there.
Hello guys, welcome to Kira's channel, like eating
Hello.
a spicy sauce.
hello. Okay, so, as